special place. Obviously, it's iconic in baseball, and just very, very appreciative of the opportunity to be able to be here and compete against two teams in the league over here, and then obviously have a chance to play the Dodgers over here. It's just a wonderful opportunity. They're the defending world champions. They've got a great group, but we feel like we have a really strong group over here as well. We have a really good blend of guys that have been there and done that. We got a really good blend of, kind of these young, up-and-coming kids that have a lot of talent, have a lot of really good athletes, a lot of guys that have great baseball instincts. And at the end of the day, things are about to kick off, and we couldn't be more excited to be able to be here and represent, the Cubs organization. And it just brings a lot of joy to my heart being able to be here. I've kind of fallen in love with being here, over the last 3 or 4 days. It's just an amazing opportunity. And yeah, I couldn't be more thrilled that we get the chance to open the season here and to experience, what life is like here and what baseball's like. It's been really, really awesome.